Probando, probando, probando. Este sí tiene que ser el definitivo porque si no, mejor dicho, ya estoy cansado y con sueño. Vamos a ver cómo nos va con este. Good afternoon, dear students. I am your teacher Carlos Delgado. Today we will speak about restaurant situations. It's a listening class today, and we will try to reinforce your skills. And the objective of this class is when you can be able to ask in one restaurant some food, any food. Okay. Today we will start for I will start for ask you some questions, please. You can put yourself in groups of 3 persons and answer the following questions. Do you like eating out? How often do you eat in the restaurant? What kind of food do you usually have? Okay. After you can give me now the answers and we will discuss about it. And now discuss between the groups about the any good meal that you eating out in a restaurant. It should be an important occasion. No? You can speak with your partners and speak about this delicious food that you had one day with your parents, with your family, with your friends. Say what do you eat, what kind of food do you like, etc. Okay, now I will give you some vocabulary, and with that we can develop the class. Look, I made some worksheets for you in one tool that is called name of this tool is Pick College. Is one tool that is good for make collage of pictures. First, we have here Mexican food, we have Chinese food, we have British food, we have Italian food, we have coffee, we have chicken, we have fish, we have water, we have butter, we have oranges, we have lamb, we have vegetables, we have fish and chips, we have tea, we have beef, we have soup, we have eggs, we have milk, we have bread, we have dessert, we have fruits, we have rice, and we have pork. Okay, I will say again this vocabulary. You have some question. If you don't understand one word, you can ask me, please. I am here for that. Remember. Now, coffee, chicken, fish, water, butter, orange juice, lamb, vegetables, fish, sheep, fish and chips, tea, Chinese food, Mexican food, Italian food, British food, Indian food, beef, soup, eggs, milk, pork, rice, fruits, and dessert. Okay, students, now we finish with that. If you have some questions, you can ask me now, please, about this vocabulary. And I will ask to Pierre to say the vocabulary now. What is the name of this picture, please? Okay, very good. And you, William, what is the name of this picture? Okay, very good, students. You are understanding the topic. I am happy for that. Okay, and now I will give you the worksheet. Like this, you can learn the vocabulary properly. Okay. I create for you as well one small dialogue in one tool that is called name is called Tundu. Tundu is one tool that allow you to make some cartoons, and with these cartoons you can learn better. No, do you like learning students? It's more funny for you learn like this. Okay, and we have here this dialogue. For example, here we have the waiter, we have the customer. Good evening. Can I help you? The customer answers, yes, I'd like to have some food. The waiters ask, what would you like to eat? And the customer say, I'd like fish and chips and bring me a beer, please. You know, fish and chips and beer are of the most typical food in the UK, like pork, like sausage, is the most typical food here. Now, now I will put you one dialogue that I make is one dialogue between Peter and one waitress. It's one audio that I made for you students. I will put now. Okay, listen carefully, please. Thank you.
Hello, are you being served? Can I help you? Yes, I like to have some dinner. Would you like a starter? Yes, I like a bowl of beef soup, please. And what would you like for a main course? What is the dish of the day? Today we have fish and vegetables. I'd like a grilled lamb with noodles. Would you like anything to drink? Yes, I like a glass of orange juice, please. After Peter had his lunch, can I bring you anything else? Yes, for dessert I would like a fruit salad and a cup of tea and a bill, please. Certainly. I don't have my glasses. How much is the lunch? That's £16.75. There you are. Thank you very much.
Okay, now we listen the audio. I will listen again, and after I will make you some questions. Okay. Okay. After listen that for twice, I will ask you some question, please. Peter, the follow exercise will they listen to true or false? The last sentence, please, guys. Peter wants 2 tables. Peter is waiting for his wife to have breakfast together. The waitress asks to Peter if he wants to have starter. The dish of the day is fish and vegetables. Peter have chicken soup like a starter. Peter have a fish and chips like a main course. Peter doesn't like tea. The waitress asks to Peter if he wants anything else. Okay, there are students. I would like that you give me the answer, please, in one paper, and I will give you the feedback next class. Okay, and now we will listen the follow situation, and after I will give you some worksheets for fill the gap, please. Give me a second. I will put the second audio. Okay, it's ready? You are ready?
I love restaurants. I never get tired of going to them. I go to restaurants a lot, maybe 3 times a week. I have my favorite restaurants, which I go to regularly. The waiters know me and I usually get very good service. But I also like trying new restaurants. It's exciting to see what's of the menu and how the food will taste. Most of the time, a visit to a new restaurant is a great experience, but sometimes I wonder why my friend recommended a restaurant. I've been to a few restaurants where the food was so bad, so tasteless. I didn't want to pay. My favorite restaurants are Indian. I can't get enough of Indian food. I love the smells inside Indian restaurants and of course the tastes.
Okay, students, and now I will give you a worksheet. It's that one. Look, because it's a little bit complicated that you look. Is have the you need to fill the gaps about this conversation that I made for you. Please fill the gap. I give you the sheet. Okay, student. Thank you very much. Okay, you finish with your sheets, worksheets. Please give me back, and I give you feedback next week. Now I will give you a homework for the next week. Now we will speak about the homework. I make here with you. Uh, I make with you one name of this menu. This menu is very important because you must make another one with international food. For example, you must make with Mexican food, British food, Chinese food, Italian food. For example, I made appetizers, entrance, desserts, and beverage. And I would like that you make the same thing for me, please, with one audio in MP3, sorry. Audio in MP3. I am a little bit nervous, sorry. Yes, the class is finished. Thank you very much for your attention, and I wish you an excellent weekend. Enjoy.